Latypi Residence, designed by A31 Architecture, sits on a steep south-facing hillside in Choulakia, on the island of Mykonos, Greece. Covering 340 square meters and completed in 2022, the house overlooks the Aegean Sea with uninterrupted views toward the historic islands of Delos and Rinea. Rather than becoming a dominant object on the landscape, the project was conceived as an extension of the terrain itself, allowing the architecture to quietly merge with the natural contours of the site. One of the most remarkable aspects of the design is how little of the house is actually visible from the road. Taking advantage of the site's dramatic slope, the architects embedded a large portion of the residence beneath the ground. Only carefully positioned volumes emerge above the landscape, while planted roofs and native vegetation conceal much of the building. This strategy not only minimizes the visual impact of the house, but also preserves the untouched character of the Mykonoan hillside. The design draws inspiration from both the ancient Cycladic landscape and Greece's long tradition of sculptural art. Instead of imitating traditional island architecture, the residence reinterprets familiar forms through contemporary geometry. Clean concrete surfaces, carefully carved walls, and restrained architectural gestures give the building the appearance of a sculpture that has been shaped directly from the earth, creating a dialogue between modern design and timeless local heritage. As you enter the home, the experience unfolds around a central open-air courtyard, following a spatial principle that has existed in Greek architecture for centuries. At the heart of this courtyard stands an ancient olive tree, acting as both a symbolic centerpiece and a natural anchor for the entire residence. Every major living space is arranged around this courtyard, allowing daylight, fresh air, and landscape views to become an essential part of everyday life rather than decorative additions. The main level contains the living room, dining area, and kitchen, all connected through an open layout that encourages continuous movement between indoor and outdoor spaces. Two bedrooms are also located on this floor. One enjoys direct access to the courtyard and swimming pool, while the other receives natural light through a carefully designed light well, demonstrating how subterranean architecture can remain bright and comfortable without sacrificing privacy. Beyond the primary living areas, the outdoor spaces become an extension of the home's daily life. Large terraces frame panoramic views of the Aegean Sea, while a swimming pool visually blends with the surrounding horizon. One of the most distinctive features is a small outdoor amphitheater with seating for around 60 people, oriented toward the sacred island of Delos. This transforms the landscape into a gathering space where architecture, nature, and culture come together. The second section of the residence is positioned slightly higher on the site and is almost entirely hidden beneath the landscape. It contains two additional bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, providing a quieter and more secluded zone for guests or family members. Rather than being connected through enclosed corridors, this wing is reached by a wide open-air promenade, turning the walk between spaces into an experience of the surrounding scenery. Materiality plays an equally important role in reinforcing the relationship between architecture and nature. Concrete, stone-like finishes, and restrained detailing create a calm palette that echoes the rocky terrain of Mykonos. Green roofs cover both the residential volumes and even the outdoor parking areas, allowing vegetation to reclaim the built surfaces while hiding the presence of cars from elevated viewpoints. The result is a house that almost disappears into the landscape when viewed from above. The landscape design continues this philosophy by preserving as much of the original site as possible. Native drought-resistant plants were carefully selected to match the local ecosystem, requiring minimal irrigation while maintaining the authentic textures and colors of the island. Instead of imposing a formal garden, the project gently restores and extends the existing landscape, allowing architecture and nature to evolve as a single composition. Latypi Residence demonstrates how architecture can achieve a powerful presence without dominating its surroundings. By embedding much of the home into the hillside, organizing life around a central courtyard, integrating planted roofs, and respecting the natural terrain, A31 Architecture created a residence where every design decision strengthens the connection between people, landscape, and history. For anyone searching for inspiration in hillside homes, courtyard living, or architecture that quietly blends into nature, this project offers an exceptional example of contemporary residential design rooted in its environment.